Welcome, doctors, and thank you for joining us today. Running a healthcare practice is no small feat, and we know how challenging it can be to juggle patient care, administrative tasks, and everything in between. It can feel overwhelming at times, right? But what if there was a way to offload some of those daily tasks to a skilled, reliable virtual assistant who's always available to help? That's where remote medical assistant support comes in. Imagine having someone handle all those time-consuming admin duties remotely. Things like scheduling appointments, managing patient follow-ups. Not only does it help you focus more on patient care, but it's also cost-effective. With a remote medical assistant, you don't have to worry about the overhead costs that come with hiring full-time in-house staff. No need for extra office space, equipment, or benefits. Instead, you get the expertise you need without the added expenses. On top of that, remote medical assistants help keep your practice organized, reducing errors and improving overall efficiency. And because they're on top of everything, your patients will feel more supported. Faster response times, seamless appointment scheduling, and timely follow-ups. Those are the things that make a big difference in patient satisfaction. You can decide exactly what tasks you want your remote assistant to take over. Whether it's managing appointments, handling patient calls, or keeping your files in order. Everything is tailored to what works best for you. So what exactly is a remote medical assistant? It's essentially a virtual team member who supports your practice remotely. They're trained to handle all the administrative duties that help your office run smoothly. And because they're working from a distance, it frees up your in-house staff to focus on what matters most, taking care of your patients. Now you may be wondering, can remote assistants really handle the workload as well as in-house staff? The answer is absolutely yes. First, they save you time and reduce stress. We all know how frustrating it can be to spend your day buried in admin tasks when you'd rather focus on patient care. With a remote medical assistant, you don't have to worry about answering calls or setting up appointments. They handle it all, leaving you free to focus on what really matters. Second, they help you stay organized and efficient. They're experts at managing calendars, organizing patient files, and making sure everything is in order. This helps ensure your practice runs smoothly without the chaos of missed appointments or misplaced records. Third, remote medical assistants help you cut down on overhead costs. You're getting the support you need, but without the hefty price tag that comes with hiring full-time in-house staff. And let's not forget how much this can boost patient satisfaction. When your practice is running smoothly and efficiently, patients feel the difference. They'll appreciate quick communication, hassle-free appointment scheduling, and prompt follow-ups. This all contributes to a better experience for them, which leads to stronger patient loyalty. So, how can remote medical assistants help you specifically? Well, they can take over tasks like managing your appointment scheduling, handling rescheduling, and sending reminders to patients. Let's be honest, keeping track of all those appointments can be a headache, but your remote medical assistant can manage it all for you. Patient follow-ups are another area where they can help. Following up with patients about appointments or treatment plans can take up a lot of time, but your assistant can handle these so you don't have to. They can also manage your medical records, ensuring that everything is up to date, organized, and accurate. And don't forget about phone and email support. Handling all those patient calls and emails can become overwhelming, but a remote medical assistant is there to take care of it so you don't have to. Now I'm sure you're thinking, how secure is all of this? Well, rest assured that remote assistants use secure, HIPAA-compliant tools to protect your patient data. Your practice remains secure and compliant with all necessary regulations. And remember, remote medical assistants work flexible hours, so if you need help evenings or weekends, they've got you covered. You get to choose what tasks they handle and when they handle them. To sum it up, remote medical assistant support is a fantastic way to reduce stress, improve efficiency, and focus more on patient care. By outsourcing administrative tasks, you can streamline your operations, boost patient satisfaction, and reduce overhead costs, all without compromising on quality. If you're looking for ways to improve your practice's workflow and get more done in less time, consider using a remote medical assistant. It's a solution that can make your life easier while benefiting both your practice and your patients. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tips on how outsourcing services like those from Staffingly can help your practice thrive. We're here to support healthcare providers like you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.